Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Assist. So today's guide video is basically based on how to get professional account on Twitter application. Now in order to turn your basic Twitter account into a professional Twitter account, now the process is very simple and easy. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end, and by the end of the video you will learn how to make professional account on Twitter application. So first of all, you have to open your Twitter application. So once you open your Twitter application, the interface looks something like this. Now on this following page, all you have to do is just simply tap on the profile icon, which is on the upper left corner right on top. So as soon as you tap on it, there is another pop-up window, and there you have a list of different options. Now from here, what you have to do is you have to simply scroll down, and there you can see on the third last step there is Twitter for Professional. You have to simply tap on it. So next on the other page there is privacy policies. All you have to do is just simply tap on agree and continue. Now on the other page you have to choose a category in order to describe your account, and from here you have to scroll down and look for the category that you want. So once you're done selecting your category, all you have to do is just simply tap on the next button, which is right at the bottom. So once again you have to select. Now you have to select on any one of the following options in order to describe your account type or in order to select your account type. So after you're done selecting your account type, all you have to do is just simply tap on next button, which is right at the bottom. Now on the other page, in case if you haven't uploaded a picture or a bio, so you have to tap on customize your profile, and in case you have already uploaded your picture and bio, so what you have to do is just simply tap on skip for now, which is right at the bottom. And this is how you can get professional account on Twitter application. Now that is all for this video. Now in case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.